Okay, I'm back. I had to redo the whole programming thing of the FPGA when the screen went out. So now I'm going to do these right here on the table that you provided with us. It says B equals 10 and A equals 10, so I'm going to do those right now. Both of those equal 10. And with the addition, you get the 20 with the carryout bit and the overflow bit. So we got the sum equals 4. Sum equals 4. Carryout equals 1. Overflow bit equals 1. Just like the table has. Carryout, overflow. And then when I do subtraction, I should get sum equals 0. Carryout equals 0, overflow equals 1, 0 equals 1. So I have my sum is 0, my carryout is 1, my 0 is 1. So right there I got the wrong output. I should have an overflow right here. Instead I got a carryout, which is not the right answer, because the most significant bits are 1 and 1, so I got a carry out for that. Okay, and then we have 0, 1, 0, which is Y as the only one that's actually been pressed right now. So I have the incrementer, which shows 11. So on the table it'll be 11, which is sum is 11. You have the sum as 11, the carryout is 0, the overflow is 0, 0 is 0, and the negative is 0 on the table. So that's showing up correctly. And then we have 1, 1, which is Y and Z press. You pretty much get the same thing as the addition, because I didn't set it up as I pretty much set up the 3 as a don't care value. So when I press down Y and Z and not X, I get a don't care value. I don't care what happens when I do that, because I didn't set up my schematic to take care of that. So I have the carryout and the overflow bit just as on the first slot on the table. Now I did my own little, I did a couple of numbers myself. I tried out 1 minus 15, which is a 2. So when you do the 2's complement, so you got 1 minus 15, and it shows up as a 2, but I don't get the negative flag. I didn't get the negative flag because that first bit right here is a 0. So that's why that negative flag didn't show up. So when you do the math, 0, 0, 1, 0, you take 1 away from that and you get 0, 0, 0, 1. You do the inverse of that, which is 1, 1, 1, 0, which is 14. So right then and there you see that 1 minus 15 is negative 14. I got the right output right here on my bits, but I didn't get my negative flag thrown here on LD6. I got to look at my logic and see, make sure my logic is matching up when I do my subtraction. But it's showing the right output on my 4 LEDs. Alright. And so next I did 15 plus 15, which would equal 30. So I have 2, 4, and 8, which is 14, and then I have a carryout bit, which is 16. So I have 14 plus the 16 equals 30. So I got the right output for that one. So I got 15 plus 15, and I got 14 as the sum and the carryout bit. I didn't get the overflow bit, which is LD5, which I should have got on this, because these couldn't fit in the value if it was a signed value. I should have got an overflow bit. Alright, and the other numbers that I got, we already did addition with the 15 plus 15, but now I'm just going to leave A as 15. I'm going to leave B at 0 because I'm doing the incrementer. So I'm going to press on that, and I got a 0 flag, which means all 4 of these are 0, and I got the carryout bit, which is right for that part of the experiment. So I got the 0 flag and I got the carryout bit, which shows that my value is actually 16 when I increment it. Alright. And then I put 10 and 10 minus 15, and I got a negative flag, and I got 1 0 1 1. So when you do 1 0 1 1, 2's complement, you subtract 1, get 0 1 0 1. I mean 1 0 1 0. When you do the inverse of that, you get 0 1 0 1, which is 5. So I got 10 minus 15 equals 15. Equals negative 5 in binary, which is the negative flag bit, and right here where it has 11. And I got some weird photosynthesis stuff going on here that I need you to look at too. As you can see, when I put my hand right here, there's no buses right here or anything. It's just lettering. It says diligent, and I put my finger over. It's got some weird stuff going on with this board. The other day when I was doing this, I kept getting a weird little reaction from one of the lights. Okay. Oh, there it was. Gotta figure out where my hand was at now. But anyways, that's my project, and I hope this suffices. Thank you.